The Kenway magnetic LED wireless towing light set. This is for your trailer. Thing is that I don't want to have to be running the trailer cables all the time, hoping that it's grounded correctly, all the problems that you have with having it to hardwire. This one's rechargeable lithium ion battery, provides up to 100 hours of use. You'll charge both of them. 100 feet of operating distance from lights to a four-way connector. Ultra bright LED technology. Says it's dot compliant for stop, turn, and tail light. Temporary use only. Do not permanently tow on vehicle. And this is part number 58469. It says contents. It's going to be 2 wireless LED towing lights. These are rechargeable, as I mentioned. It says non-scratch heavy-duty magnetic base for secure mounting. One of the downsides to all the reviews that I keep reading that are negative is that the magnets are not great. They'll fly off and stuff if you're in heavy wind or at the higher speeds. Volts, flat 4-way connector, no tools required, ultra strong magnet, which I heard is not the truth, so we'll see, and water resistant. The other things you see with a lot of the corded ones is that a little drop of water gets on it and you get a short somewhere, it's not grounded, whatever, you run into all these problems. I'm hoping that this fixes that issue for me. Opening it up, it is going to be a hard case, kind of like what you'd find like for a gun box or something like that. It does have the latches, looks really nice. I'm not sure what the quality is. Latch that open it up. You're going to have some foam. This is a nice cutout. It's kind of like that gym floor matting. It's not the regular foam that's soft and pliable. It's a little bit more form factor. You have your manual, your 2 lights. This, I believe, is going to be the little cable. So the cable will help you connect both of them. Yeah, so you see, connect each one. Then this into the charger here. This is the charger for your wall outlet, 2-prong. And it also comes with the car charger to plug in there. Each one has that part there to plug in to charge them up. Yeah, so the magnet looks like it's one big magnet, but it's not. This is like a little piece of rubber, maybe. Yeah, really thin rubber. And as you can see in the video right here, it's got 4 little magnets. So I'll have to just make it one big magnet. Seems like it's just screwed on. We'll figure that out. Worst comes to worst is glue it on with a heavy magnet. Charge these up for now, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm back just momentarily. Just plugged it into the charger. I wasn't sure what it was gonna show or how you knew it was charging. I thought it'd just be like a little red light or something. But it actually has like a gauge with the separate lights. As you can see, it's been about 3 hours. Earlier it's still not charged all the way. Now it is. You can see all 5 lights there. I know the camera makes it. There you go. All 5 lights are there. A full charge will take 11 hours. Each light is clearly marked with driver and passenger. And it does show on here. Let's see if we can zoom in. It does say driver side. And the other one shows passenger side right there, which is going to be very important because that way you're signaling in the right direction. Things are really bright. I'm using this on my Ram. It's literally just the adapter that's missing here. I put into the 7-pin connector, and I thought it was going to be a lot harder than that. I thought I'd have to somehow put it from the 7 to the 4, but I literally just plugged it in. The battery, or I'm sorry, the lights, you just double press. Now it's on. It's like waiting to sync. Right there, it's synced. Double press. It also shows you the battery life on top. I'm gonna hit the hazards. So there's that. That works. Left, right. Hazards back on. And there's no delay. It's great. I gotta say the connectivity is great. This is gonna prevent me having to wire everything. I've heard that the wires will fray. They won't have a proper ground. Other things like that that I just want to avoid. I want to be able to use a trailer, throw the lights on there. When I'm done, take them back off. If you guys have any questions, please leave some below. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have these, like these, use them, have some gripes with them, let me know. I'd really appreciate it if you guys can like the video, share the video, comment down below, and especially subscribe to the channel. Really helps out. My goal is to, if I ever get big enough on the channel to do giveaways of stuff like this. Thanks, guys.